see the red light blinking? That means it's recording, okay? If you want to film the water, all you gotta do is just spin this around like this, and you got a TV screen right there. You can see what you're filming. You just exactly. You just spin it. Now that screen will turn black after 2 minutes, but if you want to see what you're recording, just tap on the screen. It'll come back on. Now it's gonna go back to you, okay? That's it. And I'll take some pics with my phone. Take the boat.
Come on!
Oh my
You know, just cat 100 minutes.
Oh my god. We're in the sky. Woo! Baby! Say something. Nice. Woo! Yeah! Let's go! Woo! Yeah, baby.
I think it'll be nice when once it catches.
Oh my god. Yeah, look at that beauty. Ain't she beautiful?
Oh my God. So pretty, man.
Is it? Is it, yeah? Woo!
Okay, just turn the camera.
Okay. Oh my god.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. I think we'll get this view. Yes, yes, yeah.
Huh? What view? Okay. See that? Okay, Amisha.
Oh, the sunlight.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm a little scared. This is so cool. Woo! Look at how green the water is.
I know that.
Huh?
Look at that.
Look at that. This is a dream. Am I dreaming? Hey, Isa, I'm dreaming. Isa, I'm dreaming.
It's long.
Oh my god. Amisha, we live, baby. This is the life. I wish I could fly actually.
I can.
Okay.
Show you my legs. Show them that.
Your legs? Oh, child. I know when we get down, it's gonna look better.
I know
Like when we're gonna fall down or something. Oh, look at the way. Oh man. Look at that parachute
it.
behind us.
Look this way, look this way. Left, on my way.
Okay. How's that looking? Looking fabs. Oh man. The way I'm gripping this thing so hard that my hand might be hurting right now. I don't know why. But listen, this is me and Amisha Udu of Righty, and I'm live in the sky. Some of you thought I couldn't fly high, but here I am. I made it, mama.
Turn the camera back down.
To where? Okay. Ah, shoot.
Oh, it's not full.
It's on. You just have to touch the screen. Ooh, look at that. Look at that view.
Show the entire thing.
Look at you. Hey. Shuddy. You in the sky.
Shoot. I'll come at this side. Shoot again.
Huh? Say something.
I'm happy. I'm grateful. And I like it. Miami.
2023. She said
The
it.
weather is
Miami.
so nice. Oh
I
my
know.
God. It's perfect weather, right?
It is a perfect weather.
It's not too cold, not too hot.
Yeah.
And look at the wow. Wait, I have to call the video now.
Record me, please. When you
I
do.
will.
Ah. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think you should hold it well before we drop, because we're gonna like drop like, hey guys, I'm in the sky. You know what I'm saying? They said the future ain't bright, but look at me high in the sky like 99.
What is wrong with you?
I'm rapping like I'm feeling fly.
Hey.
Hey.
He's playing with us. That's super guys playing with us.
I I think we're about to drop in a second, and I ain't really ready for that one. Cause listen, we're dropping in 3.
Really?
Oh my goodness, I think we're getting to the ground, mama. Uh-oh.
What's wrong? Are we already?
Ooh!
Well, I mean, we're going to please.
We are recording while we're going down, okay?
Huh?
Record while we're going down so that
Yeah.
I'm recording.
Record us.
I'll record you and you record me afterwards, okay?
No. Just turn the camera on.
Together, like,
Huh?
oh yeah? Okay. Oh shoot. Okay. Alright, we here.
What
we
do you want to do?
What do you mean?
What were you saying?
I was saying that that's fine. We can just record. Oh, we're going down, lady. Like literally going down. You see what I'm saying? Are you scared? We're about to touch the water though.
Oh my god.
We're about to touch the water, and my hands are shaking. Look at it. Oh! Woo! Oh, it's salty. Woo! Oh,
That was salty.
oh my god.
Just put on the camera.
Oh. Woo! Woo! Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, he's playing with us. You're playing with us. Come on, man. Woo! Woo! Let's go! Yeah! That was fun. Woo! How was it? Awesome. Sheesh. Hey. All right, you want to hold this for me? Yeah. Thank you. Woo!